friends, good evening. Today I'm presenting my feedback video. In a whole day, what new things today I learned. First of all, I went to the college and learned a lot of things through attending the lecture and trying to communicate with teachers and explaining them my daily life, what I was doing in a training basis, and I'm not going daily basis in college. Second part, I had a good response from teachers and they give me good suggestions for my life. Second part, today I did that is a communication with trainers and learn and earn best I explained to them. Third part, today I learned that is the observation. Through observation I get a knowledge, notes process, and I understand the capacity of teaching, how much we can teach to student and what is their learning capacity. Today I learn. And another thing today I got to know that is our typing speed work. In a whole day we are teaching to students. In a training basis we work on activities also, so we get a less time, but in a less time we are doing a 15 minutes GS typing. English typing was going a good for us, but Marathi typing is also important, so today I started Marathi typing and I get to know that is daily basis practice is necessary in each packages. And today I also trying to get more and more knowledge through observation and through meeting also. Today afternoon meeting was conducted. In the meeting we learn a lot of concepts and staff communication. Each and every department is very important for us, and trainers also decided to work on it separately. They get their knowledge, they get the problems through it, and they is always solving it. Here we are excited for understanding their new things in their department. So today was the discussion in zone activity. Zone activity having a 6 point, that is a knowledge, communication, observation, DSI, quiz, notes, projects, and English video. So new trainers are also getting the new things and explaining in the videos also. So we trying to giving them all the information in the discussion. And I also today get to know and write in my diary that is the new thing I have to implement. I have also follow some discipline in my life, that is a consistency in each thing. Whenever we are decided to do some work, sometimes we get a more work and confused. In the training basis I learn dividation of work and giving some importance to work. And I also today observing the parents, they are investing the money for teaching, for learning their childs. So we have to give them more and more advanced knowledge, and it is necessary to learn us AI technology. And I also wanted to make all the trainers, myself, positive in AI generation. So today whole day was very good for me and I learned a lot of things, and I was trying to take the notes in my diary in daily basis, and I was also trying to work on the 19 days. This is a stop work from me. And also second part I was doing, that is a book reading. In the book reading I was not passionate, I'm not interested also, but in daily basis I was daily reading and writing some notes. Through this, it's a habit, it is a discipline, so I choose in it and I learn through it, implementing in my work and get a more and more experience. In the age of 20 I had a many question for my career, for my opportunity also, but I didn't get a some way, some goal through others. It is a my own journey, my own goal. So I also today imagine and also write in my diary what I have to do and what is the deadline of my work. In the degree age we have to get a more and more knowledge of market. Here we also getting the new things through training at the stage daring concept. It is also giving us a communication base presentation skill, that is a less on me. Before my first year, before this training, I was very underconfident, but joining the training in 2 years I am getting more and more knowledge, and I have a confidence in myself and trying to give the confidence to other also. And today I also decided to make my positivity in other also. There's some asking question to me, I have to try and solve them and giving them solution. Here is a sequence. I'm also trying to make it sequentially and did a work in sequence wise. So thank you so much for hearing, and this is my today's experience.